Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the performance section in Google Search Console. With the help of this section, we are going to get various insights about the performance of our website, web pages, and the queries that people have been pouring in the search engine in order to access our content. Now, in order to do that, what I want you to do here in your search console, what you can do, click on the performance button that is right over here. And when you click that performance button, various statistics and insights will appear. And based upon what you have selected, there will be a relevance parameters that will be shown here. Now, if you look over here, it will give me some idea of the total number of clicks occurring in the last 3 months. Now, I have an option to change these dates. I can use the custom, I can use for the last 12 months or 1 year or 28 days, as much as in detail I would like to find out about, and I can just apply those settings here. And once you know what parameters or metrics are important to you, you can always add these ones here according to the query, page, country, device, and search appearance. Now let's go down a little bit. Now the data that we see here has been categorized into queries, pages, countries, devices, as where I am driving all this traffic from, what devices are favorite for people to access the content on my website will be shown here, and where my search has been appearing so far. So it gives me a good idea that some amount of search results showcase my videos as well. So there is some relevancy present in the videos that helps my products or my services to be shown on Google or search engine results. So that's really important. Now, if I go on the queries here, you will see the my website has been appearing quite a lot, and these are the number of impressions and these are the number of clicks, and based upon this click through rate has been uh, showcased here. Then we can see what pages are most popular, and we can get an idea. The home page obviously has the most number of impressions, and although it doesn't have the large amount of clicks, so that's a big insight that whenever you are showcasing the content on your website, make sure it is relevant to the query of the searcher. And that's why it is necessary not to use your home page as default for every link that you are attaching your content with. Make sure that page on your website which is relevant to the concept or the content is attached. And we also have an option to go ahead and click on this link or the page itself, and we can find further metrics as the total number of clicks based as compared to the total impressions and average position. So this is an area where my website can be improved on. So going back here, then we can find out where all this traffic is coming from. Now, as I can see here, majority of my traffic is coming from Canada, and then I have traffic coming from India, United States, Australia, Pakistan, New Zealand, and then so on. This is not the end to it. We can go further down and we can see more traffic from more countries. So in all, there are my website is getting traffic from a lot of countries. So this is a way to find out where all the traffic is coming from. And in the future, if you want to post some ads or invest in advertisements, paid advertising or paid marketing, then you know which countries to target, as the countries that are bringing you the highest amount of traffic is the one that makes more sense in investing your money in. Then again, we can click on devices and find out if mobile is more usable for my content or desktop, and in that way we can target those customers in the future only. We can see where my search is appearing: Google page experience, product results, review snippets, and so on. And again, this makes sense when it comes to paid advertising, as we would like to make our results more customized. We can use Google's Merchant Center, where we can create our product snippets, and that will showcase our products in a broader way. We will be able to capture more area of the web page when we are doing paid marketing. Then again, based upon the dates, we can see which dates are bringing in the most amount of traffic. And if you feel that on weekends you are not getting a majority of traffic, then and you are investing in paid marketing or paid advertising, you can stop your ads on those very days when you have this insight that this marketing does not works on weekends. So this is one of the great way that you can uh, use this performance section of Google search console and customize your parameters, metrics that make sense to your business. And in that way, you can create great reports about your own business and make future decisions according to the information that you just have now. Hello and welcome back. In